So let me get this straight. You want me to give up this for an electric vehicle with no exhaust, a speaker? You must be out of your f***ing mind.
Am I recording? Hopefully I am. Okay guys, I finally got the Civic up and running. I just did an oil change on this thing, and not only that, this is going to be my first time doing a Touge run with the new engine. If you guys been following me on Instagram lately, as you guys can see, I just swapped out the engine. Has a better engine now. It used to have a D16Y7. It was a single cam 1.6 liter engine. Now it's been upgraded to a 2 liter B20 VTEC. This is a Frankenstein motor. It has a B20 JDM CRV engine block, Integra GSR transmission, along with a B16 EM1 Civic SI cylinder head. So I didn't get this car on the dyno yet because it's currently running on a base map. It's running on a modified GSR map, so I don't know how much power it's currently making, but I can tell you right now it makes more. I can guarantee it makes more power than the stock motor ever did. And with the GSR transmission, it packs a good punch. So right now the car, it is running a little bit rich. I intentionally added some more fuel on Chrome. That is my tuning software that I use for this car, because the ECU is programmed to run Chrome. I did richen the fuel mixture up at the higher rev, so that way it does not lean out too much, because I was told when you run a GSR map on a B20 VTEC, LS VTEC, you are going to run into air-fuel ratio issues. And the big one being is going to run very lean. Check engine light's still on, and the brake light is on. I don't know why the brake light is on, because whenever I put the e-brake down, it still doesn't turn off. It doesn't turn off. My brake lights are fine, and my brake fluid is still good. So I don't know what's going on, but we'll see. So yeah. So the check engine light is. I know what the check engine light is. This car doesn't have an O2 sensor. So it's not reading any air-fuel ratios. But I am going to put a wideband on this thing eventually. So here we go. This section is a cool down because there is some wildlife in this area. Damn, the GSR transmission is so much better than that long gear D16. I can actually stay within the power band. Wow, this is awesome, man. god! This feels so much better than the D16. So much better. Wow. Don't get me wrong, it's still going to be a slow car. Civics are not meant to be fast. They're not freaking Bugattis or Koenigsegg's. But what a difference. What a difference in, like, not only power, but the driving experience. The gearing allows me to, the new gearing on the GSR transmission. I've been so used to the D-Series transmission where it's so long. It's like going from first to second, it's just a huge RPM drop. This right here, it's a whole different animal. And I don't know what the hell's going on over here. Looks like there's some sort of event happening. Looks like it. Alright, we're about to get on to the next part 2 of the route. Last time I did this, there were cars in front of me, so I wasn't able to really push it. So now, hopefully, we don't have a lot of cars in the way. Wow, wow, what a difference. So that's actually my favorite part of the Touge route, is those twisty roads, because